Yay! I did it! You decided the word of the day. I did a poll on Facebook and you decided that I should talk about the word logro. So the word of the day is logro. Logro. This means achievement. Logro can also mean success. Logro is masculine, so you can say el logro or un logro. The plural form is los logros or unos logros. Now let's see a few examples. Voy a recibir un premio por todos mis logros. Voy a recibir un premio por todos mis logros. Es todo un logro el terminar la escuela. Es todo un logro el terminar la escuela. Felicidades por todos tus logros. Felicidades por todos tus logros. Hay que trabajar duro para tener... Hay que trabajar duro para tener logros. Hay que trabajar duro para tener logros. Okay, that was the word of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support the channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!